Affiliate marketing tips that can put more money in your pocket. If you take the proper steps, affiliate marketing can be something that is extremely lucrative. This video will give you all of the ins and outs when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you can use them to obtain success. Use these tips wisely and you should be fine. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. If you're into affiliate marketing, don't only write positive things in your reviews, but also include negative things about the products you review. This makes your reviews more realistic and more trustworthy, which makes people more likely to read more of your reviews. The more time they spend on your content, of course, the more likely they are to click an affiliate link and buy something. When people trust your reviews and know you'll steer them right, they'll be willing to click your links even when they know you're making money from it. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative for some, it may not be as successful for others. You have to remember to be patient because success does not happen overnight. It may be a little slow in the beginning, but if these tips are implemented properly, you can be a success in a decent amount of time. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.